Jesus. Woo!
Så du det skilt? Du dumme.
Incident in Ozark, Missouri, where this man thought he could drive on concrete, and they just letting him sit there. I guess they're gonna call a wrecker, but he's an older fella. Oi. Oh. It's exactly what you deserve, you scum! Oh my gosh.
Unbelievable. Look, knock the goddamn bumper right off. Look at that. Oh my God. And she's doing 60 miles an hour. Holy shit, look at this. Hey man, you put it into the bill. Damn! 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 Oh, that nigga! Oh! Bro, he just a whole.
Look at those people's cars.
Wow!
I've never seen anything like this in my life. It's crazy. What are you doing? Really? Did you not hear me honk at you? I honked at you, so you just still go anyway? I honked at you. I was too close to you.
You don't know how to drive. Bam. Oh, shit. Oh, oh my Lord, bro. Oh my goodness. Holy oh my goodness. Holy oh my Lord, what the